Ooh, I'm a white ghost. What is going on, guys? Today we got something fun. So I got my buddy MazdaSpeed 3, and today we're gonna be doing his full mod list. So it's been a while since I've done a mod list on any vehicle. The last one I did was the Mazda 3 Summer Edition. The Mazda 3 is currently off the road and is not mine anymore. I had the privilege of taking my friend's car for today, and I wanted to record some content with it because it would interest you guys, and you guys are going nuts on Instagram right now. So I got a full mod list of all the stuff that he's done. Now, the car might not look like beefed up from the outside. It's kind of like, I kind of see it as like a sleeper look. Like, it is lowered. It's got like red wheels on it. You know, like you kind of look at it and you're like, oh, you know, it's kind of just like cool. Like there's no like black badges or anything. He's kept all the badges. Taillights are the same. So let's get into this. This is a 2009 MazdaSpeed 3. It's got the, obviously, the 2.3. You know, a lot of you guys don't know what MazdaSpeed 3s are. It's got the 2.3 turbo in it. This one, mods exact, he's making about 300 wheel horsepower on E20, I believe his mix is. E30. So on an E30 mix, he makes about 300 wheel horsepower. That's what we estimate at. But other than that, let's start on the inside. I always like to start on the inside. Don't have the key. That's great. I don't know where I put the key. There's the key. Oh my god, I clean those so good. This is all stock. All right, let's take a seat. So, MazdaSpeed 3. What has Warren done in his MazdaSpeed 3? Inside, nothing except this. And I love this, and I need to know where he got it because I want one for my car now. After spending a day with this car, I don't know, I want it. The Accessport doesn't really count. He has my old shift knob. He's got, literally, this is the only like cosmetic thing in the interior. Other than that, it's all stock. I mean, if these shoulder pads count, then full send, right? But yeah, so he's got the shifter bushings in here. That's literally it. I don't know what to say. Yeah, there you go. He's got new car scent. He got the new car scent because he knew I was gonna detail. Exterior next, because the engine is a fun one to talk about. Okay, so for cosmetic mods, you guys are already looking at it. COBB license plate relocator. As for the lights that he has in this, he's got red fog lights. He's got yellow DRLs, typical HIDs, and like I said, red fog lights look super sick. And then down here we got the, I think they're Evo X. What's X? That's 10, isn't it? The Enkei Evo X, and he calls it the deep red pearl. Now the cool thing about this is, as of now, since we're not in the sun, this definitely doesn't it doesn't have a sparkle to it, but when you put this in the sun, the sparkle that it has, it's crazy. So yeah, like in the sun, like these just light up and it's awesome. Other than that, MazdaSpeed sticker's cool. He's sitting on some 225/40/18. The wheel specs are 18 by 8.5 and a 38 offset, and they fit the car pretty much perfectly. Like, if you guys don't want any rub and you guys have like a first gen, this is basically the wheel that you would want to run. Taking a look, he's got JBR mud flaps, and then we got the Mazda OEM roof rack with the Valence. Then we got rain guards. I really want these for my speed. Going back here, we got an oopsie. We'll not talk about that. And yeah, I mean, other than that, oh, and we got some BM spec parts. Fits the car really nice. I do like that. Other than that's literally the outside. Like, that is the outside. Like I said, not many like cosmetic things, right? Like, he's kept it, it's tastefully done. It's not overdone, but it's done to the right extent. So like, it does look, it's a sick car, dude. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine bay. Now you guys are gonna see this and you're gonna be like, wow, that's like stock. I mean, he is making 300 to the wheel. All right, let me read my lister. All right, let's start. So we got some spark plugs in this bad boy. He did a spin-on oil filter conversion. He's got thermal insulating gaskets. There's also, I didn't actually know, but he has an EGR Delete down there. I didn't know that. Why didn't you tell me that? I didn't know you had one. Oh, that's why he has got an engine light on. And then obviously the access port. We just put this in. It's the COBB 3.5 inch intake, so it stays 3.5 all the way back to the turbo, and literally the coupler to the turbo is like this size, and then it goes down to like that big. It's hilarious. We got a COBB top mount intercooler, workable with the factory plastic here. Like, I like how that's done, you know, aftermarket top mount intercooler, and then you can keep this on here as well. Obviously we got the high pressure fuel pump internals. He did the injector seals, COBB injector seals last year. Some fun in the back. We got an exhaust manifold for the full, basically for the full exhaust. We got the XSPower exhaust manifold V3. Ooh, there he's got a TurboXS Catless downpipe along with a Catless Racepipe from TurboXS, and then followed along he's also got a TurboXS Catback. Now, like I said, if you guys remember that video, the parking lot video, we installed this bad boy. Link will be in the top right if you guys want to see that. My favorite part about this, Turbosmart Dualport BOV blow-off valve, and then he's also got a 51R battery with a custom tray. Super nice fit. As transmission goes, we got the short shift plate and the JBR, you guys won't be able to see that. He's got the JBR 88 durometer rear motor mounts, which I really do like, and I want one. So that's basically that, and then he's tuned by Stratified. If you guys want tunes, go get Stratified tunes. Someone's dying right now. So that was the transmission, engine, basically what's putting down the power right there. And then last thing that we'll go on to is the suspension. So he's sitting on some adjustable front Endlinks, Corksport, and then for the coilovers, he's got BR Racing, which is what I had on the Mazda 3. And then also one thing that I do like about this too is that he's got the Corksport adjustable rear sway bar, and like literally I'm pretty sure that this car is mated to the ground. Like, you go around a corner and it's planted, it does not go anywhere. Like, this car is stiff and it's wicked. Like I said, it's such like a, you don't expect it until you like drive it. It's a big sleeper to me. But basically that's the full list. That is the 2009 MazdaSpeed 3 for you. Like I said, I wish I got one. I was very close to getting a red one. Fell through. Couldn't work things out, which was unfortunate. But, you know, this car is super crazy. It's got almost 1,000 more kilometers, and it's got 150,000 kilometers on it. Hopefully this won't be the last you guys will see this. I think definitely we'll be taking a look at it this year, this summer. And, you know, there's going to be a couple situations where you guys will probably see it again. So I know, like I said, you guys are stoked on it. You guys have blown up my Instagram. I'm literally like, got to go through all my messages. Like, a ton of you guys are messaging me about it. So I'm glad that you guys enjoyed it. I think it was really cool to have it for the day. As of now, I got to head off to Mazda meet, bring it, and then trade back my car, get my car back. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed. But anyways, keep it real. I'll see you guys in the next one.